With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. Here the question says for the reaction 2H gas to H2 gas, the sign of delta H and delta S respectively are. Okay, so here our delta H represents the enthalpy, right? And delta S relates to the entropy. Delta S relates to the entropy. Okay, so if we talk about delta H, then it relates to the heat required or released in the reaction. Okay, so if heat will be required, or we can say absorbed in the reaction, then our delta H value will be positive. Delta H value will be positive. If heat released, then delta H value will be negative. Delta H value will be negative. Now if we talk about the delta S, and it is our entropy, it means the degree of randomness. Now what do we relate by degree of randomness? It means that if the particles can move freely, it can move freely while the reaction, okay, then our delta S will be positive. Okay, if there is suppose association in the reaction, like some main product formation takes place, then our delta S will be negative. Now in this reaction what happens is 2H gas to H2 gas. Okay, it means that the two hydrogen atoms, suppose I have one hydrogen atom and another hydrogen atom, these both combine with each other and form the H2, right? So it means for this case our delta S is equal to negative, because here association takes place, so delta S is negative, right? Now if we talk about the delta H value, then we know that here this molecule will attract this molecule and this will attract this molecule. Okay, they both will attract each other. It means that energy will decrease. Okay, energy decrease. So if energy decreases, then we know that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So where did this energy go? Okay, so here the heat will be released. Heat released. So our delta H will also be negative. Or by other factor we can also do this, as we know that by the Gibbs reaction that our delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. So in this case we have delta S negative, that is sure. So it will be delta H plus T delta S. Okay. Now we know that for some spontaneous reaction our delta G should be negative. Okay, delta G should be negative. So if we want this reaction whole term to be negative, then we have to negative the delta H value, because delta S is already negative, so here it is plus sign. So in this case our delta H will be negative. Delta H will be negative. So both the values for this case will be negative. So this is our incorrect. This is also incorrect. This is also incorrect. This one is correct, because we need both the values to be negative. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.